Here we are at 8395 Amapoa. So we have this drain right here that comes off of this roof and the peak, and then right above you have another gutter system that comes all the way across here. So what we're requesting is this gutter that's coming off and down from the second story roof, and then it dumps onto the first story roof, for that to be relocated around that corner to this drain right here, which then the water would flow down to the roof, down to this drain, which would then come down into it actually would go right into the drainage system instead of dumping onto the concrete at the walkway, so when you come home you wouldn't have to go through a puddle.